The P0335 code shows up when your car's computer realizes that the crankshaft position sensor, yep, that thing that sounds like a Harry Potter spell but is actually super important, isn't sending the signal it's supposed to. So what does this sensor actually do? Basically, it tells the computer when to spin the engine and what position the crankshaft is in. It's like the engine's timekeeper, the thing that keeps everything in sync. If that timing goes off, the engine doesn't know when to start, how to inject fuel, or when to fire the spark plugs. Total chaos. Why is this sensor such a big deal? Picture this. You've got a full orchestra playing, but the conductor vanishes. Every instrument starts doing its own thing. That's exactly what happens when this sensor fails. The engine goes into chaos mode. The spark happens at the wrong time, fuel gets injected when it shouldn't, and in worst-case scenarios, the engine doesn't even start. This sensor helps to make sure the engine starts correctly, keep the air-fuel mix just right, fire the spark plugs at the perfect moment, prevent the engine from stalling randomly. Without this signal, the computer has zero clue what's going on inside the engine. So when P0335 pops up, it's basically the engine yelling, "I don't know where the crankshaft is, help me." What can cause the P335 code? Now here comes the good part. Let's break down the most common causes in plain English. 1. Bad crankshaft position sensor. This is the #1 cause. Over time, with all the heat and vibration from the engine, this sensor can wear out, crack, or just give up. What to do? Check the sensor directly. If it's dirty, broken, or the connector is damaged, clean it or replace it. In many cars, it's not too expensive or hard to swap out. 2. Loose or corroded connector. Sometimes it's not the sensor itself, but the wiring that feeds it. If the connector is loose, rusty, or dirty, the signal won't make it to the computer properly. What to do? Check the connector. If you see any corrosion or gunk, clean it with electrical contact cleaner. Make sure everything is tight and solid. 3. Damaged or chewed up wiring. Yep, wires suffer too. They can get brittle, burned by engine heat, or even become a snack for some curious rodent. What to do? Do a visual check of the wiring between the sensor and the computer. If anything looks suspicious, repair or replace that section of wire. 4. Incorrect sensor installation. If you recently replaced the sensor or worked near the engine, it might just be installed wrong. Believe it or not, if it's off even by a little, the sensor won't read the crankshaft properly. What to do? Make sure the sensor is aligned and installed exactly how it should be. Sometimes all it needs is a little adjustment. 5. Problem with the reluctor ring. Sounds like a movie villain, right? But it's actually just a toothed wheel attached to the crankshaft that the sensor reads. If this wheel has a missing tooth, is dirty, or got knocked out of place, the sensor won't work right. What to do? This step usually means digging deeper into the engine. But if you've checked everything else and still get the code, it's time to inspect this part. 6. Faulty engine computer, ECU. Rare, but it happens. If everything else checks out and the code still pops up, the issue might be in the car's brain. What to do? At this point, you'll need a pro with a good scan tool. They can test if the computer is acting up, needs reprogramming, or in the worst case, has to be replaced. How does the car act when this code shows up? Depends on how bad the problem is, but you might notice the car won't start or it takes forever to crank. It randomly stalls while you're driving. The engine misfires, shakes, or feels sluggish. RPMs go up and down on their own. The check engine light stays on all the time. Sometimes the car will still run but feel off. Other times it just refuses to start and leaves you guessing. More often than not, P0335 is the silent troublemaker. How do I fix it step by step? Here's your DIY action plan, garage style. Scan the car with a code reader to confirm it's the P0335. Find the crankshaft position sensor, usually near the flywheel or bottom of the engine, depending on the car. Check the sensor, see if it's dirty, cracked, or loose. Clean the sensor with Sensor Safe Cleaner or replace it if it's damaged. Check the connector. Make sure there's no rust, corrosion, or loose wires. Inspect the wiring. Look for wear, burns, or chew marks. If everything seems fine but the problem sticks around, check the reluctor ring or have a pro test the computer.